Ahmad Khan's 1 2 3 School, a complete e-school project. Our focus on listen, speak, read, and write. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start. This is a cherry. Cherry start from C. This is an apple. Apple is start from A. This is a peach. Peach is start from P. This is a lychee. Lychee is start from L. This is a blueberry. Blueberry is start from B. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is start from K. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is start from S. This is a bundle of grapes. Grape is start from. This is a mango. Mango is start from M. This is a banana. Banana is start from B. This is a palm. Palm is start from P. This is a melon. Melon is start from M. This is a blackberry. Blackberry is start from B. This is a pear. Pear is start from P. This is a coconut. Coconut is start from C. This is a fig. Fig is start from F. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is start from P. This is a apricot. Apricot is start from A. Lesson review. Cherry, apple, peach, lychee, blueberry, kiwi, strawberry, grapes, mango, banana, palm, melon, blackberry, pear, coconut, fig,